Space, the final frontier, holds mysteries that continue to baffle scientists and ignite the imagination of people across the globe. From incomprehensible distances to phenomena that defy our understanding of physics, space is a treasure trove of astonishing facts. Buckle up as we dive into the 10 most unbelievable facts about space that will leave you in awe. 1. There's a gigantic cloud of alcohol in space. Imagine a cloud of alcohol floating in space, larger than our solar system. Located near the center of the Milky Way, the molecular cloud Sagittarius B2 contains a staggering amount of ethyl alcohol, the same type of alcohol found in beverages on Earth. This cloud is 1,000 times larger than the diameter of our solar system and holds enough alcohol to supply 400 trillion pints of beer. However, don't get too excited. It's also mixed with other toxic chemicals, making it undrinkable. 2. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and proximity, has a mind-boggling rotational period. It takes 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one full rotation on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. This means that a day on Venus, one full spin, is actually longer than a year, one full orbit around the Sun. Additionally, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets, meaning if you stood on its surface, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. 3. Space isn't completely silent. It's a common belief that space is a vacuum and, therefore, completely silent. While it's true that space doesn't have a medium like air to carry sound waves in the traditional sense, it's not entirely devoid of sound. In certain regions of space, such as the plasma-filled voids between stars and galaxies, sound waves can propagate. NASA has even converted some of these interstellar sounds into audio we can hear, creating eerie and haunting noises that add to the mystique of the cosmos. 4. There's a planet made of diamond. 55 Cancri E, also known as the Diamond Planet, is one of the most extraordinary planets ever discovered. Located 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer, this exoplanet is believed to be composed largely of carbon in the form of diamond. Due to the immense pressure and heat on the planet, scientists estimate that at least a third of the planet's mass could be diamond. Imagine an entire world gleaming with the sparkle of this precious gem. 5. Rogue planets wander the galaxy alone. Not all planets have a star to call home. Rogue planets, or orphan planets, are planetary mass objects that do not orbit a star and instead drift through the galaxy alone. These dark, isolated worlds could number in the billions in our Milky Way galaxy alone. Despite their solitary existence, rogue planets could still harbor life, especially if they have moons with internal heat sources like those found in our solar system. 6. The universe is expanding faster than the speed of light. One of the most astonishing discoveries in cosmology is that the universe is expanding, and it's doing so at a rate faster than the speed of light. This doesn't violate Einstein's theory of relativity because the expansion isn't about objects moving through space faster than light, but rather space itself expanding. This means that distant galaxies are receding from us so quickly that their light will never reach us, rendering them effectively invisible and beyond our observational reach. 7. A spoonful of a neutron star would weigh as much as Mount Everest. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. These incredibly dense objects pack more mass than the Sun into a sphere only about 20 kilometers in diameter. To put it into perspective, a single cubic centimeter of neutron star material, roughly the size of a sugar cube, would weigh about 100 million tons, equivalent to the mass of Mount Everest. This extreme density is due to the star's protons and electrons being crushed into neutrons during the collapse. 8. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Olympus Mons on Mars is the largest volcano and tallest planetary mountain in our solar system. Standing at 22 kilometers, 13.6 miles, high, it's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. This colossal shield volcano has a diameter of about 600 kilometers, 373 miles, which is roughly equivalent to the size of the state of Arizona. The scale of Olympus Mons is so vast that its base would cover the entire Hawaiian island chain. 9. Black holes can spaghettify objects. Black holes are known for their incredible gravitational pull, which is so strong that not even light can escape. If you were to fall into a black hole, the difference in gravitational pull between your head and feet, depending on your orientation, would be so extreme that it would stretch your body into a long, thin shape, an effect scientists call spaghettification. This process is theoretically what would happen to any object, including a planet, that ventures too close to a black hole. 10. The observable universe is only a fraction of the whole universe. When we talk about the universe, we often refer to the observable universe, the part we can see and study. However, the actual universe is much larger, possibly infinite. Due to the finite speed of light and the age of the universe, about 13.8 billion years, we can only observe a limited portion of it. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years in diameter, but beyond that, there could be vastly more space, matter, and energy that we'll never be able to observe or comprehend. 11. There's a planet where it rains glass on the exoplanet HD 189733b, located about 64.5 light-years away. The weather is like nothing we've ever seen. Winds reach speeds of up to 5,400 miles per hour, 8,700 kilometers per hour, and it rains glass, sideways. The planet's deep blue color, reminiscent of Earth, is due to silicate particles in its atmosphere, which condense to form glass in the fierce winds. This hostile environment is a stark reminder of how diverse and extreme weather conditions can be on other worlds. Space is full of wonders that challenge our understanding of reality. From the mind-bending concept of a multiverse to the extreme conditions of distant planets, the universe never ceases to amaze us. As we continue to explore and learn more about the cosmos, one thing is certain: space will always hold secrets that push the boundaries of what we know. So, whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just a curious mind, keep looking up at the stars, because the universe is far more incredible than we can ever imagine. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the most unbelievable facts about space, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content. Also, let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most, or if you have any other space-related topics you'd like us to explore. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.